difficult. Cat.
Okay, for you.
Oh, so tasty. So yummy. Cat.
And this is for me. Let's open it. Wow. It's a Krabby Patties.
Oh, so nice.
It's a SpongeBob colorful burgers. Wow. Mmm. Mmm. Mm. Okay. I want to try. Okay, let's choose color. Which color?
Pink. For you, pink.
Okay. I think it's not pink, it's red.
Oh, okay. Oh, I want this.
Wow.
For me.
For you, which?
You choose.
Okay. For you, green.
Oh, I give half for me and half for my cat.
No. Cat. It's not for cat. It's bad for cat.
Okay.
It's only for people.
Very good.